Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. The garden is the only place in the house which calms sense and give a pleasing feeling to the mind and body. Also, you can install a gazebo in the garden and enjoy your garden beauty while sitting on it. Besides, another benefit of the garden is that you can grow organic vegetables and fruits at home. The quantity of these products is large, so you can share it with your neighbors. Also, the homegrown fruits and vegetables are more delicious and taste better than the fruits and vegetables that we buy from the market. Moreover, my garden has many flowering plants that give a pleasing fragrance that makes the environment light and aromatic. The flowering plant that I have in my garden include roses, sunflower, dahlia, jasmine, marigold, common night, etc. But my all-time favorite night blooming jasmine, whose pleasing smell separate at night and make the whole house aromatic. Everyone think that planting trees and plants is an easy task, and anyone with a troll, looper, and veteran easily do it. But only gardeners and the people who do gardening knows the effort and energy that gardening needs. Besides, only water is not enough for plants. They are need manure also. They need daily care in order to keep them healthy and fresh. Moreover, most of the plants are green, which means that they proper sunlight many people have professional gardener for taking care of their garden, but doing it on our own is more preferable. Also, it helps us to connect with the garden. Most of the plant and trees that are in my garden are either planted by me or my family members. We go to the nursery to buy seasonal plants every season, and most of the flowering plants are replaced very season as they die due to climate change. After buying them, we plant these sapling or plant in seeds able. To conclude, we can say that gardening is a very good and productive habit. Also, it helps a person to establish to connection with the help of. Thanks for watching.